This is a video on how to create a session for an end user with the EDS API. This video assumes that you already know how to authenticate your application to the EDS API so you can send requests and retrieve responses from it. If you're not sure how to do that, check out our video on authenticating to the EDS API. Here's an example request to the create session method of our API. There are two important parameters to take a look at. The first one is the profile parameter. This specifies which API profile this request will be directed to. Here I've selected EDS_API. This is EBSCO admin. Because I've already authenticated my application, it knows which group and which customer to come into, but it's that profile parameter that tells it which of the API profiles in your account to use. Most sites only have one, but you might have multiple profiles if you intend to do different things with the EDS API. The profile is a string within the parentheses here. So this particular request will direct all future searches and retrieves to hit this particular profile in EBSCO admin. The other important parameter is the guest parameter here, and it should be set to Y for yes for any application that you put up on the open web where your users may not be authenticated. By setting guest equals Y, what that means is all search and retrieve requests to the API will return only the information that is permitted to be displayed on the open web. For example, full text links to PDF documents will not be returned when guest equals Y, and from publisher partners where the metadata is licensed materials. If your application is able to authenticate an end user, then at that point, when the user authenticates, you issue a new create session call, this time changing guest to no. What that means is the full metadata for all records within EDS will be returned, as well as full text links in the retrieve method.